War day number 952. 952 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left. The binary. Yes, it's binary time, boys and girls. And this one will be number 9369. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. And between two O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1, double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes in 1, between the O's comes in 1, double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, double O's, here one, there one. Then double O's, here one, there one. Then double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can we know. There should be a 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Yeah. In this row, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. Between this always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. And we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this first column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1s here, no, there, no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O then. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to compare. Do we have a double ones? Here we have a double ones. Double O. Here. 101. Yeah. This first row and the fourth row. Let me compare. Oh, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, oh, oh, empty box, 1, 1, oh, oh, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Finish in 5 minutes. We solve again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.